Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your Earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down, and in About we have product tutorial line. Tap at this line and it will open user manual for you. Here it is, so you can slide down it and find some information. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!